Welcome to your favorite channel, One Nigga TV. One nigga they blame, but he still be flex. Body they roll, vibe they connect, so bubbles fly. No party for sing. Every motion they sweet like drink. Positive energy anywhere she dey. One nigga they vibe even when she alone. No stress, no wahala for face. One nigga they glow steady grace on grace. Now real life, no be acting scene. She dey serve, looks clean and serene. From the kitchen to the bedroom lights, every step she take it they shine so bright. Fans they talk so we won't be like her. Soft spoken, sweet like sugar bear. One nigga queen of the home, no cap. Now real woman vibes, no stop. One nigga they cook, she dey clean, she dey Bible. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it they shine. One nigga they lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. One nigga dey for kitchen, the aroma dey choke. Any dish you want, she dey cook and best. It goes sense a lie, and the soup you want, she sabi cook them all, and you dey see I'm live. Na real Naija queen, she dey run the pot, but she still get business where they come up fly. Others they drop, money they align. She sabi clown, she dey balance and kind. Family dey smile, everything dey alright. No shouting, no stress for her zone. One nigga dey each other babe, say flip and make your home sweet. Then you hustle trend. One nigga be wife, she be mama, she be boss. Say they cook soup, where they make my loss. One nigga not like, she dey shine from shore. Now it's not the way you go for your phone. One nigga they cook, she dey clean, she dey Bible. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One nigga they lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. God don't bless, so no pay you well, neck high, no be small. Every hustle she touch, she dey stand tall. Grace to follow her steps every day. From sunrise to sunset, she dey pave way. Her business the boom, favor the spread. Anywhere she enter, blessing her head. No be luck, na consistency. When nigga they pray, she dey walk, she dey keep am clean. Family they smile of the overflow. Children they happy, like they glow. And we a nigga they balance am like a rope. With no shaking, no fear, she be the best of all. From the market to her headphone, gotta lift her higher every time she deserve all the good will I go bring. Nigga move on, nigga they rain now, winning ring. One nigga they cook, she dey clean, she dey Bible. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One nigga they lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake.